So I had a package this morning delivered to 16 Trinity Square. Look at the back of it, it's from Karen Humpage. And Karen has produced some absolutely splendid artwork of the goats around, the Llandudno Goats around 16 Trinity Square, inspired by some of the news coverage that it got. She had the great idea of producing an artwork and then making prints of those artworks and selling them for NHS charities. So this is what arrived in the morning. Let's open it up. Nicely packaged. This is protected. I have to balance it all. I'm going to leave the scissors out of it. Oh, okay, it's got a certificate of authenticity, country origin, United Kingdom, printed by D Studio, YC print, and it's got a nice signature. So you've got, there it is, in all its glory. 16 Trinity Square in Llandudno, immortalised with his goats. Oh, it's got a nice signature on there, which is great. We've also got a little bonus. Thanks for your order, Karen. Another piece of artwork which looks like another similarly chaotic scene with cows invading the townscape. Great stuff. So if you enjoyed the goat story in the media and you'd like to donate to a great cause for NHS charities, then look up Karen on a Facebook page, or type in 16 Trinity Square and you'll see links to it there on our social media as well.